Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and today I'll be trying out this cane juice extractor or this cane machine juicer, something to that effect. So my parents bought this juicer and we were totally amazed by it. So let's see how it works. So first of all, my dad is like, you have to clean off the ends, take off that part, and like scrape the cane, the joints of the cane. Then my mom, she takes it and then she just washes really clean, because we do not want to juice the cane with any dirt on it, and then get dirty cane juice.
You do it.
And after you juice the cane, trust me, whatever is left is really dry. There's no juice out of it. You just turn on that little pipe, and you just get that liquid gold running straight out. Easy, so easy. Who knew getting cane juice would be so easy? But here's the thing, you have to pull the cane trash out from the other end, or it can jam some of the time. That's what happened. My father allowed it to just continue running, and a lot of cane juice came out through the side. Continue run until the cane came out. Yeah. Then we clean up and start again, and this time what he did was to hold the cane coming out from the other end to ensure that it comes out clean and doesn't stuck. Yeah, easy like that.
Make sure they waste. See if you get none. Don't think no more in there. No more. It makes sense to put it back. Look, Sarah.
Never help it back to his home.
Oh, yeah, he helped me.
Yeah, man, let's say chug the ground, let me stick.
Like that grandmommy, that's it.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Squeeze a little lime juice and you're done.
Oh my gosh. The lime in there. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, she will.
So mommy, what's it? When you came over, I sugar too high? Oh.
You're right, no? So, hey, stop it.